Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a 3D photo in CapCut. So you can do this with a few clicks. So first, open your photo in CapCut and then click on the photo and head to Style. And here swipe until you find the 3D zoom effect. This one right here, you can use 3D zoom or you can use the 3D zoom pro and click on the effects, and after that click on the check icon. Okay, it's slow generating, you can just wait. Okay, so here it is, just click on the check icon and then your photo will become like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.